Most people think you need money to make money, that you need to invest in stocks, buy products, or spend months building a business before seeing results. But what if I told you there's a side hustle that costs $0 to start, can be done from your phone or laptop, and pays out every single day? No gimmicks, no fake screenshots, just real income for real work. And yes, beginners are welcome. Let's break down exactly what this $0 side hustle is, how it works, and how you can start today. The side hustle we're talking about is digital product arbitrage. It's one of the most overlooked and untapped opportunities online, and it's 100% beginner-friendly. Here's the simple idea. You find digital products that are either free, underused, or have resale rights. You repackage or list them on platforms where people are actively buying, and when someone purchases, you get paid, sometimes within hours, sometimes instantly. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. And the best part, you don't need to create anything from scratch. Let me give you an example. There are websites that offer PLR products, that stands for private label rights. These are ebooks, templates, planners, courses, and tools that creators have licensed for resale. In many cases, you can brand them as your own and sell them legally. Let's say you find a well-designed fitness tracker PDF from a PLR site. You download it for free or for a couple of dollars. Then you upload it to Etsy or Gumroad with a new title and fresh cover. Someone searching for a printable workout log finds your listing, buys it for $6.99, and boom, you get paid instantly. You didn't create the product, you didn't pay for ads, and you didn't spend months building a brand. This is digital product arbitrage in action. Let's go deeper. Where do you find these products? Websites like PLR.me, IDPLR, Creative Fabrica, and even Canva's template marketplace offer thousands of digital assets you can use. You're looking for items like printable planners, journals and habit trackers, business templates, resumes and portfolios, health guides and recipe books. These are high-demand, evergreen digital products. Now, once you have the product, where do you sell it? Here's where the money happens. Number 1, Etsy. Etsy is no longer just for handmade goods. It's become one of the biggest marketplaces for digital downloads. People search Etsy every day for planners, templates, and printable items. You list your digital product, set the price, and Etsy handles the transaction. You get paid, often within 24 to 48 hours. Number 2, Gumroad. Gumroad is free to use and perfect for beginners. You create a free account, upload your file, write a description, and share the link. You can promote your link on Reddit, Pinterest, Twitter, or Facebook groups. Even if you get just 2 sales a day at $5 each, that's $300 a month. And remember, you only upload once. No shipping, no inventory, no restocking. Number 3, Payhip. This site lets you create your own storefront for digital downloads with no upfront cost. They only take a small cut when you make a sale. Now, let's talk results. This side hustle doesn't promise overnight riches, but daily income, absolutely possible. There are beginners who started with zero audience and zero investment and now make $10 to $50 per day, just from 1 or 2 listings. Some scale it to $500 or $1,000 per month by uploading more products and improving titles, keywords, and designs. And you don't need graphic design skills to do this. With free tools like Canva, you can quickly edit or customize templates to make them unique. Add your name, adjust the colors, or add a bonus checklist, just enough to stand out. The truth is, you're not selling a product, you're selling convenience. You're helping someone save time, stay organized, or improve a part of their life. That's why they're willing to pay $7 for a template you got for free. And here's the kicker. Once someone buys, the download is automatic. You don't even have to be online. You could be sleeping, working out, or on vacation, and still make money. That's the power of digital leverage. Now you might be thinking, if it's that easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Here's the truth. Most people don't follow through. They overthink it. They get stuck trying to create the perfect product or the perfect store. Meanwhile, a beginner who takes messy action makes their first $5 sale within days. This hustle isn't about perfection. It's about execution. Let's break it down into steps. Step 1. Choose a niche. Health, productivity, small business, budgeting, these are all hot markets. Step 2. Find a digital product with resale rights or free use. Sites like PLR.me or Creative Fabrica are great starting points. Step 3. Repackage or lightly edit the product using Canva or Google Docs. Step 4. Create a free seller account on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Step 5. Upload your product, write a clear title and description, add a thumbnail, and publish. Step 6. Share the link where your audience hangs out, or use Etsy search to bring organic traffic. It's really that simple. What you're building is digital real estate. A single product can sell hundreds of times without you lifting a finger. And as you upload more listings, your earnings stack. One product making $5 a day is $150 a month. 3 products making $5 a day, that's $450. 5 products making $10 a day, $500 a month. You see the pattern. And once you get comfortable, you can create your own digital products from scratch. Courses, toolkits, swipe files, planners. You can even start your own digital product brand. But to start, you don't need any of that. Just one good product, one listing, one buyer. That's all it takes to go from zero to your first dollar. Then you scale. No startup costs, no technical skills, no gatekeeping, just a smart hustle that pays you daily. So the next time someone says you need to spend money to make money, show them this. A laptop, a free Canva account, and a PLR product. That's your new business. This is your new side income. And yes, this $0 side hustle pays daily. The only thing missing is your action. So what will you sell first?